Good morning, students of my class. Good morning, everyone. We are studying grammar, and we are on chapter number 9. हम grammar पढ़ रहे हैं और हम chapter number 9 पे हैं. We have completed the definition along with the explanation, and we are in the process of completing the exercises. हम किस कार्य पर हैं? हम एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करने के कार्य पे हैं. And today we will discuss. Yesterday we have discussed about relative pronoun. Am I right, students? Yesterday we were on relative pronoun. Yes. Now let us see. In relative pronoun we have completed the first exercise. Look here, we are on relative pronoun. हम relative pronoun के exercise पर हैं. Relative pronouns. Yes, and we have completed, students, we have completed exercise number A in relative pronoun. Today we will see exercise number B. Join, look at the instruction, join the pairs of sentences, join the pairs of sentences with the help of relative pronoun, with the help of relative pronoun, RP, relative pronoun, with the help of relative pronoun. Students, हमें क्या करना है? नीचे दिए गए वाक्य को, जो भी सेंटेंस हमारे सामने आएगा, उन दोनों सेंटेंसेस को हमें एक साथ जोड़ना है. With the help of what? Relative pronoun. For one second for confirmation. Who is this? Shivangi Yadav, unmute please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in relative pronoun, have we completed exercise number A? क्या हमने exercise number A कल complete किया था relative pronoun में?
Yes, sir. We done exercise number A.
Okay, well, thank you. We have done exercise number A. Mute it now. Mute it. Okay, fine. It's muted. I don't mute kar lo beta. Mute it. Okay, fine. Now let us see the next exercise, exercise number B, and here it is the instruction given that what we have to do, हमें क्या करना है? Join the pairs of sentences. Pairs का मतलब होता है दो. Pairs means double. Join the pairs of sentences with the help of what? RP. I have written here RP. RP means I have shortcut में लिखा है मैंने. It's a relative pronoun. With the help of relative pronoun. Now look at the first question of exercise number B. It is that this is the road. This is the road that it leads to Rome. It leads to Rome. Now, is there anyone who can help me out with this question? Okay, now let me write down the second question. She met a man. She met a man. Full stop. One sentence. He helped her. He helped her. This is the second sentence. Now look at the third sentence, students. I saw a girl. I saw a girl. Full stop. She was busy writing. This is the third question. This is the third question. Okay, students. Now, who will tell me the answer of the first question? You have to join these two sentences. In यहाँ पे हमें करना क्या है? ये दो sentences को एक साथ जोड़ना है. We have already learned the definition that relative pronouns are the pronouns in which it refers to the noun mentioned before it and also join two sentences together. यानी अपने से पहले आने वाले noun का relation दूसरे से बताता है और साथ में दो वाक्यों को एक साथ जोड़ता है। ये हमने पढ़ा था रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन का डेफिनेशन में। तो यहाँ हियर इट इज गिवन इन एक्सरसाइज नंबर बी दैट join the pairs of sentences with the help of relative pronoun. Relative pronoun के help से हमें इन दो वाक्यों को एक साथ जोड़ना है। Now raise your hand who can help me in this first question. Who is going to help me? Come on, no one. Who will help me? Okay, I'll start from Arya Tripathi. Yes. First question to Arya Tripathi. This is the road, it leads to heaven. It leads to Rome, sorry. Can you tell me the answer? Join these two sentences with the help of relative pronoun.
Okay, sir.
Yes, tell me the answer. I'm waiting.
This is the road which leads to Rome.
This is the road which leads to Rome. Very good. Look here, students of everybody. Look here. What do we have used here? We have used pronoun. हमने यहाँ pronoun use किया है. Okay, and this pronoun is called relative pronoun. This is the road which leads to heaven. A very correct answer. Now, fine, mute it. Now, I would like to ask the next question to Suryanshu. Suryanshu, unmute it. Yeah, now it's
Yes,
your
sir.
turn, Suryanshu. Can you tell me the answer? She met a man, he helped her.
Who helped her?
Sorry, again, tell me. Tell me the
She
full
met,
answer.
she met a man
She met a man
who
who
helped
helped her.
her.
Very good. She met a man who helped her. Fine. She met a man who helped her. Very good. Right answer. It's also a right answer. Now, my next question, Suryanshu, please mute it. Yes. Next question to Sivangi Yadav. Tell me the answer. I saw a girl. She was busy writing.
I saw a girl
Yeah, I saw a girl
who was busy writing.
who was
Busy in
busy
writing.
in writing.
In
Okay, fine.
writing.
Who was busy in writing. Fine, very good बेटा. यहाँ पे एक चीज मिसिंग था, preposition in. आपने यूज किया, very good. This is the right answer. It's a right answer. I saw a girl who was busy in writing. Very good. I hope. Okay, mute it now. Mute कर लो. Now let me write down the next question. Question number 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is done. May I erase the board? May I rub the board, students? Fine, thank you. Okay, students. Now, the next three questions, there are 6 questions. Now, this is question number 4. This is Santosh. This is Santosh. Full stop. He won the prize. He won the prize. This is Santosh. He won the prize. Number 5. I have found. I have found the umbrella. I have found the umbrella. Full stop. I had lost it. I had lost it. Number 6. Here is the book. Here is the book. Full stop. You sent it to Me. Yes. Now it's your turn. I have written the question. Now it's the turn of students to give me the answer, to help me out with the answer. Now who is going to help me? Turn on your video. The rest of the students, please turn on your video so that I can see you. ताकि मैं आपका चेहरा देख सकता हूँ, आप हाथ उठा रहे हो कि नहीं. If you are raising your hand or not, come on, turn on your video, please. Every student, I request you to please turn on your video. Aradhya, yes, I can see. Aradhya Yadav, unmute it.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer. This is Santosh. He won the prize. Come on. Tell me the answer. This is
This is
Santosh. Yes, this is Santosh.
Santosh.
Huh?
Who won? Who won prize? Who won the prize?
Who won
The
the prize? Okay, very good. Now mute it. Next question goes to, who is going to answer next question? Ankit Singh, unmute it. Ankit Singh, unmute it. Adarsh Kumar, unmute it. Adarsh Kumar. Adarsh Kumar, unmute karo beta. They are not able to hear me. I think due to network problem, they are not able to hear me. Now I would like to ask Vaishnavi Singh. Vaishnavi Singh, can you hear me? Unmute it. Vaishnavi Singh, tell me the answer of question number 5 of relative pronoun. I have found the umbrella. I had lost it.
When? Sir, who
Sorry?
lost? Sir, who had lost it?
Sorry, wrong answer. Wrong answer. I have found the umbrella. I have found the umbrella which I had lost it. Which I had lost it. जो मैंने umbrella खोया था, वो मुझे मिल गया है. Now, who is going to answer the next question? Turn on your video. Turn on your video. Ayush Pratap.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the last
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Tell me the last answer.
You sit it to me. Here is the book.
Wrong answer. Yes, Shivangi, help me.
Yes.
Yes, Shivangi,
Here
help me.
is the book. Here is the book.
Here is the book.
The book.
Not A. Yes, here is
The book.
the book
Which you sent.
that you sent it to me. Here is the book that you had sent to me, or that you sent it to me. जो किताब आपने भेजा था वो मेरे पास है. यहाँ है. Fine, clear? Clear?
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir,
Yes,
why
ask,
here
please.
that? Sir, why here is that?
No problem. You can use which also. आप which भी लिख सकते हो.
Okay.
Here is the book which you
Okay.
send it to me. Nothing. दोनों relative है. Join कर रहा है sentences को. यहाँ पे हम which से भी join कर सकते हैं. Okay, that से भी कर सकते हैं. पर who से नहीं करेंगे. Who is used for ह्यूमन
Yes,
बीइंग,
sir.
लिविंग थिंग्स. ओके फाइन.
Yes.
आप यहाँ पे which भी लिख सकते हो. जस्ट टू चेंज इट, थोड़ा सा चेंज करने के लिए आई हैव यूज्ड हियर डेट बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड हियर which somewhere here. यहाँ पे भी डेट यूज कर सकता था मैं कि आई हैव फाउंड द अम्ब्रेला दैट आई हैड लॉस्ट इट. जो मैंने खोया था, डेट आई हैड लॉस्ट इट, आई कैन यूज इट, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो वेट से भी मैं दोनों को ज्वाइन कर सकता हूँ, डेट से भी. फाइन. Okay. Any other? Clear? May I raise the board? Let us move forward. Clear, students? If it is clear, raise your thumb. Fine. Thank you. Thank you. Now today we are on the last exercise. I hope. No. Yes. We are on the last exercise. That is the possessive. That is the possessive. Okay. Now I will ask a question. That what is possessive pronoun? What is possessive pronoun? Yeah, who is going to respond me? कौन बताएगा? Who will tell me the answer? Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Yes. Who will tell me the answer? Vaishnavi. Okay. Yes, Vaishnavi.
Yes,
Unmute
sir.
it and tell me what do you understand or what do you mean by possessive pronoun? A pronoun.
what?
Definition
what?
of possessive pronoun.
A
Sorry.
possessive pronoun is used to show position. Is called
Okay, fine.
possessive pronoun.
Can you give me 5 examples?
Sir, what?
Can you give me 5 examples of 5 examples? 5 examples of possessive pronoun.
That pen in hers. This bag is mine.
No,
This
wrong. Wait. Arya Tripathi, tell me the definition of possessive pronoun.
the car is red.
No. Definition of possessive pronoun.
A possessive
Definition of possessive.
possessive pronoun is used to show possession.
Okay, fine. Look here, look at me, students. अब मेरी तरफ देखिएगा. A pronoun that shows position. एक ऐसा pronoun जो position. What is position? Position means ownership. Position means ownership. It's mine. ये मेरा है. Ownership. मालिकाना, हक दिखाना. Ownership. Okay. A pronoun that shows position is called possessive pronoun. A pronoun that shows possession is called possessive pronoun. And I hope you know what is possession. Possession means ownership. Okay. Now, some example of possessive pronoun are mine, hers, yours, ours, theirs, his. Okay. These are the examples. And look here. Let me write down the example here. Students, look here. Possessive pronoun example of possessive. Mine, yours, his, hers, theirs, ours, etc. Okay, these are the examples of what possessive pronoun. And students, today we will complete anyhow. Let us try to complete chapter number 9 today. Okay, fine. Look at the instruction given. What is the instruction given here? Fill in the blank. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with what? Possessive pronoun. Look at the board, beta. आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा question? Fill in the blanks with possessive pronoun. Fill in the blanks with the possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? A pronoun that shows possession. Possession. एक ऐसा pronoun जो possession show करता है. Look at the board. I am writing the definition here. A pronoun. A pronoun that shows, a pronoun that shows what? Possession. Possession. And what is possession? Possession means ownership. Ownership. Okay, a pronoun that shows possession. Possession means ownership. Is called what? Possessive pronoun. Is called possessive pronoun. If it is clear, show me your thumb, students. कि हाँ सर समझ में आ गया. It is clear that what is the definition of possessive pronoun? A pronoun that shows possession means ownership. ये definition में है नहीं. This is not there in the definition. आप इसको हटा सकते हो. You can remove this और आप आंसर बता सकते हैं. A noun, oh sorry, a pronoun that shows possession is called possessive what? Pronoun. आप देखो ऐसे बोल सकते हो. You can remove it. आप ownership हटा दो. Yes. Now look here. A pronoun that shows possession is called possessive pronoun. And what do you understand by possessive possession? We have learned in chapter number 8 that is possessive case. Possessive means ownership or relationship. That is case. Here it's possessive pronoun. Okay. In possessive means what? Ownership. Okay, fine. Clear, everybody? Clear? And these are the examples. These are the examples. Mine, yours, his. Okay. Let us try to complete the exercises now. Students, let us try to complete the exercises. Look at the board. Be patient and look at the board. Look at the first question. The first question is that I drive my car. I drive my car to college. I drive my car to college. The car is dash. First question. Second question. The eraser belongs to the girl. The eraser belongs to the girl. Full stop. It is dash. Number third, I have a doll. I have a doll. This doll is dash. Number four, they have orchards. The orchard is dash. Number five, we live in this house. We live in this house. This house is dash. Number six, my friend likes cricket. My friend likes cricket. Full stop. It is dash favorite pastime. Favorite pastime. Number seven, the lady wore beautiful. The lady wore beautiful sari. Full stop. The sari was dash. Number eight. Sorry, I can't write number 8. I will write later on. बाद में लिखेंगे. One more question is there and the space is not there. यहाँ पे जगह नहीं है. The space is not there. So I'm not going to write number 8 here. Now look at the board, students. This is exercise number A of possessive pronoun. हमने 7 चैप्टर पढ़ा है. एक तरफ से मानो तो हमने 7 चैप्टर. इस चैप्टर के अंदर we have learned 7 चैप्टर. Pronoun. How many types of pronouns? 7 types of pronoun. Yes, personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, relative pronoun, emphatic pronoun, reflexive pronoun. All this we have learned in this chapter. one by one. Okay, these are the exercises of possessive pronoun. Fill in the blanks with possessive pronoun. यहाँ पे जो भी blanks है इसको हमें possessive pronoun, and these are the examples. These are the examples of possessive pronoun. Now help me out. Who is going to help me with the first question? Who will tell me the first question answer? That is Ankit Singh. Can you hear me? Ankit Singh, can you hear me? Yes, Ankit Singh, please unmute it, unmute it, and help me. I drive my car to college. I drive my car to college. This car is
Mine.
mine. Very good. This car is mine. Yes, mute kar lo Ankit. Mute it now. Sarthak, unmute. Sarthak, unmute it. Sarthak, unmute it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me the next answer. The eraser belongs to the girl. The eraser belongs to the girl. ये eraser उस लड़की का है. It is
her eraser.
yeah. Huh? It is
Her.
hers. It is hers. H-E-R-S. Hers. Fine. Mute it. Mute it. Next question. Om Singh as 5D. Om Singh. Unmute it. Om Singh.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer of third question. I have a doll. This doll is. I have a doll. I have a doll and this doll is.
Sir, your.
No. आप अपने पे बोलो ना यार. मैंने what I have seen. I have a doll and this doll is mine. I have a doll and this doll is mine.
Sir, my.
के साथ सकता है. यहाँ पे अगर if it is yours, you can use your mine or you can. I have a doll. मेरे पास doll है. ये doll आपका है. It is yours. It is yours.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. It is
Yes, sir.
my doll. Okay. Don't use your mind. Mine नहीं
Sir,
use करेंगे
yours.
बेटा.
Sir,
Yours, not yours. It is yours. This doll is yours. मेरे पास doll है और ये doll आपका है. It is yours.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
this doll is yours. Okay, next question. Who will help me out with the next question? Om Singh, mute it. Yeah, now, yes, Abhigyan Tripathi. No, write your name. Arya, don't write what you have written. Next question. They have orchard. The orchard is theirs. Theirs. उनके पास मेरे दोस्त के पास मुर्गी फार्म है. वो मुर्गी फार्म उनका है. Right now? Right? Yes. Next question goes to Shivangi Gupta. Tell me the next answer. We live in this house. This house is
Ours.
ours. Very good. हम इस घर में रहते हैं और ये घर हमारा है. Next question goes to muted. Don't मुझे बोलने पे मत मजबूर करो. Everything is being recorded. So student, you use your own sense. आप अपना दिमाग लगाइए. I'm not going to ask all the question to one student. Okay? Use your own sense and mute it, please. Namya, where she is again? Ayush Pratap, unmute it. Ayush Pratap, unmute it. My friend likes cricket. It is Dad's favorite pastime. Vaishnavi, unmute it. Namya, unmute it. Namya, unmute karo. Namya Singh, unmute it. Unmute it. Sajid Ansari, unmute karo. Okay, students, now let me answer.
Yes, sir.
My friend, yes, Namya.
Yes, sir.
My friend, yes, my friend likes cricket. It is dad's favorite pastime. Use here. It is. Tell me the answer. No. मेरे दोस्त को क्रिकेट बहुत पसंद है और क्रिकेट उसका फेवरेट पास टाइम है. उसका का क्या होगा? हिज. इट इज हिज.
First time.
It is, yes,
His.
it is his favorite past.
Favorite
It is
pastime.
his favorite past.
Pastime.
Okay, now look at the last question here. So yes, question number 7. Mute it. सब लोग mute कर लो. Now let me tell the answer of remaining 2 questions. बचे हुए 2 questions के आंसर मैं दे रहा हूँ. The lady wore beautiful sari. उस औरत ने बहुत खूबसूरत साड़ी पहन रखा हुआ है. The sari was hers. The sari was hers. उसका साड़ी था इसलिए उसने पहन रखा था and it was beautiful. Now let us see the last question. Look at the last question, students. Look at the last question, everybody. What is the last question? Last question of chapter number 9.
And
Number 8. Yes.
you can choose anything. The choice is
Yes. You can choose anything. Very good. You can choose anything.
anything.
Full stop. Full
choice
stop.
is
The choice is dash. The choice is क्या होगा आंसर? Everyone. I would like or no. Who is that? Mute कर लो. Mute it. Sajid Ansari. Unmute. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sajid, can you hear me? Yeah. Tell me. You can choose anything. The choice is dash.
The choice is yours.
Sir, yours.
Yours. Very good. You can choose anything. The choice is yours. Very good. आप जो चाहे वो ले सकते हैं. पसंद आपकी. मतलब आपको जो पसंद हो वो चाहे वो ले सकते हैं आप. Okay, students, this was
Yes, sir.
our exercise. We have completed that exercise and we have done chapter number 9 successfully.